Hi everyone, it's Jo from I Eat, I Cook. A lot of people ask me what is my secret recipe for crispy skin roast pork. Well, my method is slightly different. 1. No drying in the fridge. 2. No broiling. But it produces a beautiful crispy skin that stays crispy for hours. So stick around, watch the video, hope you guys like it and can finally say, yes, I got the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you guys can see my recipe in the future. Let's get cooking. Start by preparing the skin. Get paper towel and pat dry the skin as much as you can. And use this tool to prick the skin. But if you don't have, just use a very sharp tip of a knife. Marinated meat is ready. We're going to transfer it onto a rack to put it in the oven. Second step, prepare the oven 120 degrees Celsius, fan heat. Crackling up and puffing up the skin to get that crispy skin. How can you not love the color? And I can't wait until I chop this and I hear that crackling sound.
It's so good. It's so crispy. And the meat is so juicy.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more of my recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.